Welcome to UCANIC. In this video we're going to go over the steps on how to update the scanner. First thing you need to do is from the home screen you need to go to settings and make sure your scanner is connected to the internet. Go to system settings and select network and internet. Turn Wi-Fi on, and then here on this list you'll see all the available Wi-Fi networks. You do have to make sure that you can connect, or your router is broadcasting at 2.4 gigahertz. If it's not, you need to enable that on your router and then connect with your Wi-Fi and your password. And once you do that, you also have to make sure that if it's the first time you're using the scanner, you have to go to My Account and register your scanner. But if you already done this part, then you don't need to worry about that. Then on that, you'll go to, from the home screen, you'll go to updates. Depending on the version of the scanner, you might show update right here on this screen. If not, swipe to the right, you'll see another screen and select update. So all updates are done over Wi-Fi. You do give it a couple of seconds on this screen here to check for the updates, and you can see on the bottom left here it says 18 software updates available. You can individually update them, but it's recommended to hit upgrade all, and then this will take a few minutes depending how many updates are available. But that's all. You just have to just wait and let these updates install. Now sometimes when there is an update on the UCANIC app, the scanner might reboot and you have to manually restart the update process one more time. But you basically will just go to update screen and hit update all again. So make sure you run that a couple of times to make sure that all the updates have been installed and your unit is all up to date. Thank you for watching UCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.